How to turn on predictive text on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable predictive text on the keyboard on any iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, all we need to do is first open up the settings on our iPhone, and in the settings, scroll down a little bit and select General. Now, once in General, just scroll down until you get to the section that has Keyboard, select Keyboard, and then there's a couple different things that we can turn on within the keyboard settings to enable predictive text. So first we do have predictive text, so enable that, and it'll show predictions in line, and that's what it'll predict and show you what it thinks is the next thing you're going to type. So we also have auto capitalization, auto correction that you can turn on, and check spelling, as well as smart punctuation. So now when I open up the keyboard on my iPhone, it'll start predicting the text, and it kind of finishes the sentence for me where I can just keep pressing it if it's what I wanted to say. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.